Hi, I'm Nan Summers, founder of Designing with Nature. And we are a collaborative of many ages and abilities who come together as friends to help understand the world around us and how we are made of the same elements as every other living creature. And so our goal is to help people see more than the eye. This is a beautiful mask carved by the Baruch in Costa Rica, and their ability to see the connection of all nature is a talent that they honed from early ages, studying at their grandfather's knees. Suncoast Remake Learning Days gave us a great opportunity to weave together more than 30 partners ranging in ages from 5 to 86 who came together to produce a new program introducing the science of hydration to special needs audiences, a month-long art exhibit featuring nature's 10 favorite designs, which we then brought to life after being viewed by 2,400 people, to a new program as one of 304 events attended by 36,500 people. And now that is going to be shared with a state national conference and part of the International Well Building Institute's network of 130 countries. We'd love to show you a brief preview of how we did it.
Nutrition is paramount for for all children, and especially those who have disabilities, and whether it's genetic conditions, or whether it's developmental conditions, to be able to nourish themselves, keep their bodies hydrated, keep their guts healthy. Any new way that we can go about that is what we're looking for.
We drink the water and it goes through our system, but we still have to take it all the way to the top. And so because of that experience with 18 partners that had come together and didn't know each other, we were able to totally leapfrog this year when the opportunity came up with characters that are actually based on real people who can speak as ambassadors for their favorite design.
Good morning. We're here today with Designing with Nature's delightful designs at Unity Church of Sarasota. Today we explore all of the different designs.
It's really cool and really delightful to work with my nephew and family and friends as well to make an event like this happen on such a new level. And most importantly, the most delightful, I think, is to make learning fun again. I think Caleb and I can both agree.
And what do you do when the water comes in?
I use it for hydration and to stay alive.
Yes, and as a rock, how does that work? What does the water help to do?
The water helps go to the top to make it green and live.
Yeah. And we talked about fractals. What are all these broccoli heads?
They're fractals of the broccoli.
That's right, really small components that self-generate and replicate, and over and over and over, slightly different, but that creates life.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily, he lives in the zone, but
Ripples and currents are movements that are rhythmic in nature. And the most obvious ones would be air and water. Especially in sailing, you will have the wind and the water, and we as the sailors in the boat are the force that works with both of those. We have, for example, the sandhill crane, who can flow both on air currents and in the water and on the ground in very graceful ways.
It was wonderful. I just enjoyed the kids today. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah.
They're the big part of it. I mean, they're our future, and we have to make them aware of using and preserving this earth that we were given as a gift.
We we had such an exceptional group of people coming together to make this happen. I'd like to especially recognize Betty McQueen for her books.
Hi, my name is Betty Mann McQueen. I'm a certified in Family and Consumer Sciences. This is a commendable project, and I gave away 98 copies of my giraffe books. The children were so enthusiastic and so wonderful, and it was a great learning experience.
And Tina Dell for her wonderful food sculptures and nutrition.
To drive with Tina, it's right here. Okay. And so if you scan it, it'll bring you right up to Instagram.
And Vicky Samaya for her beautiful choreography.
Good afternoon. My name is Reverend Amy Zay, and I'm minister here at Unity of Sarasota. We are just grateful to have been able to be a part of this wonderful community building opportunity.
And we want to give a very special thank you to Eric Sweetman, who created the characters that all these wonderful people brought to life. Thank you all to each one who made this a special program. We have the lovely Dunbar family of children who came and helped us, and all of them have special gifts, and the one that we have not met yet is Caleb.
Hello, so I saw all of these pieces come together and I created original music to tie it all together into one video. It was actually really fun, and I felt that I could let my creative side come out, and that's what I did.